load. Let it load real quick. Let it load real quick. Let it load real quick. I seen all her leaks. She's trans. Man, that's not no fucking trans. What are you talking about? Oh no! Why do I scroll down on her pic on Instagram and I see I seen one of my dogs in her likes, bro. I seen one of my dogs in her likes. Fuck no. Fuck no. Oh fuck no. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! GG's, bro. Low key. Here we go with the lagging shit again. Like, holy yo. It's like that. It's like that today. Alyssa, bro, what do you mean? I'm not gay, bro. Stop saying that, bro. Like, did I stop saying that? I want someone who a mog. Wait, what does a mog mean? What does a mog mean, chat? What does a mog mean? Man of God, I never heard that before. You going on Mac's show this weekend? No, man. I don't know, man. I don't know. Whitney, Utah Valley University. She's Christian. A good life goal about to be a mom. I like that. I like that goal. Whoa! We got Sydney. Bomba mi hace! Hold on now. The one thing you should know about me, I'm a stand-up girl who sits down a lot. Shit. Fitness coach and yoga instructor. San Diego. Wait, you are older, huh? 26? Green flags. I not live with your parents. I don't. Yeah, I don't. Shit. Bro. Wait, where does she live? Is that deep, chat? Is San Diego deep or not? You found my south, like, bro, that's not your side thing, bro. Come on, bro. Southern? How deep is that? How deep is that from LA? 2 hours? Fuck it. I'm bugging right now. I'm bugging right now. Let me shut. I'm bugging. Let me relax. Let me relax, bro. You couldn't see? Oh, you serious? Bro. I think that's valid, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I think that's valid. Bro. I genuinely think that's valid, bro. Tia bad? Nah, she is hella bad. I'm not gonna lie. She's hella bad, bro. Yo, Kehlani, you on my cock, bro. Like, Kehlani, my biggest hater ever, bro. On my life right now, Kehlani, my biggest hater, bro. Someone replied? No. Nobody replied. No reply. All right, here we go. We got Jay. Not verified. Ooh. You're not verified though. I don't believe that, bro. W. It's not, bro. We got Deja. Okay. Ah! Tell me the fuck up right now. Stop playing with him. Stop playing. Okay. Turned up. I'm telling y'all, bro. I'm telling y'all, simplicity, bro. Simplicity, bro. I got a date tonight. Call her 3 times to do the do. Okay, bro. Listen, I'm gonna be honest. Let's do a deep dive on her profile real quick. We got it. We have to, bro. We have to. Profile. Yo, wait, Kalani, you know her for real? Kalani, don't lie. I don't know, chat. Listen, here's what y'all gotta understand. She said, okay, done. Do we keep it pushing, keep it moving, or do we settle? Do we settle, we keep it moving? That's the question. You haven't fucking tapped already, okay? You haven't tapped already. Arizona, really? Riverside. Wait, where's Riverside? Chat, where's Riverside, bro? Where's Riverside? Push on it, push on it. Pineapple. It's in Cali. Who said in Germany? Like, bro, fuck out of here, bro. Yo, what's good, Swifty? What's good? Just finished a 13-hour shift. Good fucking work, my boy. Stop spamming Kiwi, bro. All right, let's do this. I'm gonna keep it right there. Let's go. Let's keep going through them. Dage, I'm sorry. You look like you would destroy me. This what people are saying on Hinge. You would look like you would destroy me. Listen, my shit is so laggy, I'm sorry, bro. It's the Wi-Fi in this bitch. In the shed, okay? But what the fuck? A lot of Asian women today, which I don't mind it, you know? That's fire. You know what? Just for the plot. Beat this shit. Yeah. That's not a man. Stop saying that's a man, bro. Like, hey, y'all tripping right now. This a man? Let me prove you wrong. Okay, all right, bro. Whatever, bro. I don't know why my shit lagging so much, bro. This is low-key getting hella annoying, bro. My shit is lagging crazy, bro. Like, my shit is lagging stupid right now. Like, actually stupid, bro. Yo, if this is actually what I think it is, bro, I swear, loud that I'm fucked. Wait, hold on. Let me think. Relax. Jackie Tran, yeah, that's fucked. You're fucked. You're all fucked, bro.
Motion, not a dime, she'll quarter, she'll token.
W's! Yo, shut up with that dude shit, bro. Stop doing that, bro. Wait, please tell me y'all can see that, bro. Y'all couldn't see that either? Are you fucking serious? Oh shit, I just pressed X on her. Fuck, that's not what I meant to do. My shit is lagging OD. Like, get me out of this shit, bro. I'm tired of it. Now look, it's still lagging. I'm not even on that fucking page. Like, dude. Fuck, bro. Like, this is getting annoying. I'm not gonna lie. This shit is so... Like, why is this so bad out here, bro? Look, you can't even see that, huh? You can barely even see that, huh? What the fuck is going on, my shit, bro? Why is it doing that, bro? That's annoying. I can barely focus, but alright, speed run this bitch. Caitlin, we got Annie. Alright, bro. I can't, bro. I can't with this shit. I can't with this. Like, bro, I can't with this fucking shit, bro. I'm ready to move out. I'm ready to move out, bro. I'm ready to get my own crib, chat. I'm ready, bro. I'm ready. I don't care, bro. I'm ready. Too broke. Okay. Listen, I can't get on Wi-Fi because the Wi-Fi's in the crib. How I'm having Wi-Fi on my computer is because I've had over a 50-meter long, 50-foot fucking cord that goes all the way from the inside of the crib all the way out to my computer. It's a Ethernet cable, bro. So what does that mean to you? What does that mean to you? I cannot do anything on my fucking phone with that shit at all. Like, god damn, bro, and get your damn, you got big ass titty, but like, get your ass out of here, bro. Look, I literally scrolled. Look. It's cooked. This is fucking cooked, bro. This is fucking cooked. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. This is fucking cooked. This shit is fucking cooked. Put on hotspot on PC and it'll share the Wi-Fi. Yeah, but here's the thing, buddy. Here's the thing, buddy. Listen. It'll share the Wi-Fi, put it on hotspot. What? This looks like a catfish. I'm not gonna lie to you, chat. This right here looks like a catfish. You can't do hinge on computer, chat. You can't. It doesn't work. Run life partner. I'm not gonna lie, chat. Nah. I can't, bro. Not gonna lie to you. Yo, the boy, dude, give it a big sub. Appreciate it, my boy. Thank you, bro. Give it a big sub. Appreciate it. We got Kaylin. I'm speedrunning this, chat. I'm speedrunning this right now. Yeah, stream goes on, chat. Listen, you gotta. Hi. Are you in LA? Freaky ass. Freaky ass shit. Freaky deaky ass shit. What? Hi, those emojis should be banned, bro. Like, you should get the ban on Hinge. Are you in LA? Me during Fashion Week. I thought I deleted this one. What the fuck are you talking about? Nah, bro. Are all these like fake? Ooh. I'm good though. That's a okay. It's not, chat, it's not looking good right now. I'm not gonna lie to you, boys. It's not looking good right now, boys. Hold on now. Hello, Haley. How old is she? 21, dental assistant, Bay Area. Max Love Island starts in 1 hour. So start packing up. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yo, what's good? T1ZBA, what's good, baby? What's good? Nah, I'm good though. I'm good though, chat. I'm good though. We got bro, why is nobody verified? Ooh, hello, Tyrion. Hello, Tyrion. Chat, watch it. Tyrion, that's your name? How about tear that ass up? Oh my god, I can't even spell. I swear it was a typo. Nah, autocorrect. Like, it was a typo. It was a typo, bro. It was a typo, bro. It was a typo, bro. Relax, bro. It was a typo, bro. It was a typo, bro. Bro, it was obviously a typo, bro. Bro, it was obviously a typo, bro. Like, it was obviously a typo, bro. Okay? Bro, it was obviously a typo, bro. The ass too and shit like that, of course, bro. Ass, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, bro, obviously a typo, bro. That's shit like that. Samantha can make me laugh. Okay, Samantha. Hello, Samantha. Why are you not verified, Samantha? You 5'2". Let me throw you up in the air and leave you there, Samantha. Okay. Fuck it. I like you on some simple shit. Hey, we go with the flow. We got Aline. Not my type. Not gonna lie to you. Not my type. I can make you cry. Yeah, this has to be fake. I'm good. God damn, Andrea. Good books, trips abroad, quality people. Goes to USC. She's 21. I was born in Venezuela. I've been to the Bermuda. My first spot was okay. Okay, shit. Why are you looking at the pictures before the age? Yo, Kalani, listen, bro. Listen. Kalani, listen, bro. One more hate from you, bro, you get in the bin. I don't care, bro. This and negative energy, bro, cannot be good for your own life, bro. Like, listen to me, bro. What do you mean looking at her picture before her age? Her picture comes first automatically. Her pictures comes first automatically. Ella! Hello, Ella. Ella. Ooh. Yo, swear to give it a big palm, appreciate it. That not you? That's not me?
Swirl Eyes just joined M3 Ski.
Let me get this straight. You're on Hinge. You have put Muslim, and this is your vid on Hinge? I'm just trying to get it corrected. Bro. Big bomba clap me, I say. Low key smell it. Astach. Oh my god, is that a man? Oh my god, does she have a buzz cut? Oh my god, she has a buzz cut. I'm bugging, right? I know she don't have the same cut as me. I'm bugging, right? Bro, you are Muslim, dude. You are Muslim. All your pics on Hinge is you showing your body. Nothing wrong showing your body, but like, come on, gang. Oh my God, dude. Wow, bro. Shit crazy. Shit is so crazy, bro. Like, that ass. Nah, shit is actually so crazy, though. Like, for real. Shit is so crazy, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. We got Mackie! Writing little poems, listening to good music, books, baking, farmers markets. I'm not gonna lie, that's my same thing. I got same interest. For sure. But you know what I'm saying? We got Electra. She/her. She's spiritual, lives in Los Angeles. I'm Gucci for the coochie. What poems do you write? Okay, listen. So I used to write poems in, I think it was, what was it? 5th or 6th grade, I think. Maybe 6th grade, I had like this contest. I was like, whoever writes the best poem gets, I think it was like, what was that? I wrote something, bro. But it was something, bro. It was like, Max said, shit. Oh shit. Yes, I used to write poems and shit like that when I was a kid. And usually what it was is this one of my poems. You walk, you run, you fall. At the end of the day, fuck you all. You tremble, you stumble, you get up. When you see the sunshine and rainbows, you shut the fuck up. Roses are red, violets are blue. The girl okay, do incoming, yo. Shut up! Shut the fuck up! Alright, bro, I can't, bro. So I can't say nothing right now. Alright, bro, whatever, bro. I can't say nothing right now without the do shit. Okay, gotcha. Now it's all good, bro. Alright, I can't, bro. I'm skipping yes, bro. Hello, Jade. Finally, some chocolate, me, I say. Jada, Wada. Hold on now. Slow your rolls. Don't hate me if. Mais tout temps, c'est répondre. Ok. Parle français? Oui. Parle français. Okay, me too for real. Not gonna lie to you. Pick the best one. Don't even know all of them are. I'm not gonna lie to you. Chat, watch this. Parle français, parle français, parle français, parle français. Parle français, Mbappé, comment ça va et tout. Kanté, Kipembe, Laurie Trabillon, Grisou, Giroud. I'm telling her, bro. I speak a lot of language, bro. I know. It's kind of hard to like to understand and shit like that, but I do for real. They call me a multi-talented man, bro. Multi-talented man for most of the part, shit like that. Bro, just casted the spell. Zoe, bro. Of course, bro. Brooke, sorry, Brooke. All right, that's it, boys. I'm not gonna lie to you. I want to like some people. Chat. That's my thing. I want to like some people. Tu parlais pas, c'est bien mon gosse? Tu parlais mon gosse? Tu parles français? Bobby, tu parles français ou non? Okay. Bro said who the fuck said Among Us? Nah, I'm not gonna lie to you, chat. Listen, please tell me this. Oui. Ok. Fala português e Brasil como para Brasil, Gabriel, Nemargito e Santos e Wait, what did Yusra send? Who? Oh yeah, bro. Look, chat. I'm not gonna lie to you. She embarrassed me. Okay. She embarrassed me, bro. I'm really honest right now. She embarrassed me. Okay. This was the girl that she see my shit on Hinge. She liked me at first, and then boom. She see my Hinge or whatever. I said, go on a date with me now. My fault. I'm just playing. My bad for the stream. She said, if you send a voice note saying I spanked myself fast 2 times, and I said it. Let's see.
Ice, bank, mice, elf. Ice, bank, mice, elf. Shit, going to date with me now. Yeah, tight shit.
You want to know what the worst thing is of this whole thing? She said, this was fun, not gonna lie. You and your voice cracks, take care. So I did that for nothing? I did all that for nothing. I said I spanked myself. Let me get this straight. I said I spanked myself 2 times, and she still said no? Because her thing was that she'll go on a date with me if I do that. And then she said, this was fun. You and your voice cracks take care? I'm gonna be really, I'm gonna be a little vulnerable right now. I'm not sure what's going on in today's society, today's economy, today's propaganda. But I'm getting turned down a lot. A couple of days ago, I got rated a 7. Now, I spanked myself on Hinge, and I did all that for nothing. This economy is tough, bro. This economy is definitely tough. The trajectory of the next few weeks, upcoming weeks, they seem to lay very low on the radar, and yeah, not for sure. I feel good about it. I feel very good about it. Shit like that. Let's see your profile, matter of fact. Let's see your profile real quick. Can we see your profile? Okay. Okay. I mean, shit, It is what it is. It is what it is, bro. It is what it is, bro. You can always hit Tia if you are desperate. I'm not desperate. I'm not desperate. Listen, I'm very not desperate. I'm be honest. What do you respond to Ari? What do you respond to Ari? But it's cool though. It's cool though. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's cool though. Let me chill a little bit. Let's go do some more. We got Elena. Hello, Elena. Elena from Vampire Diaries. Hey, hot take. Vampire Diaries is a very good show, bro. I'm saying right now. I don't know if that's gay or not, bro. Sold. How did I sell? Oh shit. Oh my god, pre-leak. Oh my god. Yo, Darian, we already have it calm, bro. We already have it, bro. Come on, bro. Dez. Hello, Dez. Hello, Desi. Hello, Desiree. Fuck it, send a like to that bitch. Send a like anyways, fuck it.